So, welcome to Ahmed Medical Care YouTube channel. So, today I'm here to serve each and every one of you as a medicine specialist. I'm totally resistant to the word fairness. I don't believe in it, and I don't think you should believe in too. Let me tell you why. We are all born with a particular color in our skin, and that color is because of the melanin or the brown pigment that is present in it. Of course, the brown pigment gets stimulated with exposure to the sunlight. External abuses, atmosphere, as well as the product that we use or on our skin. But fairness from what we were born with is impossible. That's where comes the skin lightening. And here's the trick which most marketing companies use. They try to mix lightening with fairness and promise you whitening. But please be very careful for that. So what we can do is we can reduce the stimulation of melanin in your skin because of the external atmosphere. The first being the sunscreen, the mirrors, you start sun protection. Remember, the overproduction of melanin reduces and the skin lightens of its own. So in case you have pigmentation caused by, say, melasma or post-acne or post any surgical or trauma, there are specific medications which dermatologists give to reduce production of melanin at that level. That's when we can actually reduce the melanin. The third that one can do is in clinic procedures under the dermatologist's advice, like you can do lasers, you can do peels to lightening the skin. But remember that goal of fairness is never achievable. Lightening of the skin is possible in clinic with the products, but use of sunscreen is most essential. Here I really want to go out of my way and advise you not to pick up over-the-counter lightening of fairness creams. That reason why they contain, the certain ingredients like the steroids, hydroquinones, mercury, or heavy metals and bleach, which in long run can damage your skin.